Dear ANA community, let us discuss a real life case scenario. Dear ANA community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. When you think about the description of the puzzle or the case scenario, it goes like this. 35-year-old female individual is presented with sneezing, cough, with watery sputum initially, followed by whitish colored sputum since 4 days on exposure to dust. She had the recurrent history of sneezing, cough from past 4 years. She was also having the presenting complaint of itching around the eyes. Now, the question arises, what is the Viprakrishta Hetu in this particular example? Is it the 35-year-old female patient? Or is it the Vata and Kapha dosha vitiation in the body? Or is it the Rajaha Sevan or exposure to dust? Or is it the Rasadhatu affliction where we are going to observe the affliction of Rasadhatu in case of Pranavasrotas affliction? Or is it the presenting complaint, that is sneezing, cough and sputum? They are considered to be Viprakrishta Hetu. Whenever we speak about the Viprakrishta Hetu, that is considered to be present far from the human body. When you think about the Rajaha Sevana, that is considered to be present much farther than the, the Vata and Kapha dosha, than the Rasadhatu affliction as such. So that is what we are going to say, that is Sannikrishta Hetu. Whereas a 35-year-old female, that is the age factor, that is the 35-year-old, that is the age group between 30 to 60, that is considered to be the Pitta dosha dominant age group. That is Pitta dosha in that particular situation of age group, that is a Sannikrishta Hetu. So, whereas sneezing, cough and sputum, they are not considered to be the Hetu as such. They are considered to be the Rupa or Lakshana, which are indicative of the, that outcomes of the exposure of these kinds of the Hetu. So, effect of these particular Hetu. In the sense, the Viprakrishta Hetu in this particular example is Rajaha Sevana, that is dust exposure, whereas 35-year-old female is considered to be having the Pitta dosha dominance, that is what is considered to be the Sannikrishta Hetu. Vata and Kapha dosha vitiation, that is present nearer to the body, that is considered to be the Sannikrishta Hetu, whereas Rasadhatu affliction, that is considered to be the, of course, Abhyantara Hetu as well, but that is not the Sannikrishta Hetu, whereas sneezing, cough and sputum, they are considered to be the Lakshana, that is outcomes of these particular Sannikrishta Hetu. So here the right answer for the particular example is, that is Viprakrishta Hetu is Rajaha Sevana or dust exposure. Dear ANA community, that's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.